Uh, Good morning, everyone. This is the report or presentation about SWOT analysis. Uh, as you see, ito po yung mga documents and like business permit, DTI, and mayor's permit nung tindahan po na kung saan doon kami nag-conduct ng SWOT analysis. Isa po ito siyang sari-sari store. Ito po ay nakita natin na nakapangalan kay Alona, Mrs. Alona Barairo Pelicano. Yung business niya po located po sa Karandang Road, Panacan 2, Nara, Palawan, in the front of Nara Hospital. Ito po yung kanyang business ay sari-sari store and printing shop. Ito po yung photos ng kanyang sari-sari store. Ito po yung photos ng kanyang printing shop. And then next, ito po yung internal factor evaluation or IFE matrix. Nakalagay pa, ito po yung kanyang mga internal strength, prime location, yung weight is 20% and yung rating is 4%. The weighted score is 0.80. Number 2 is convenient one-stop shop. Isa po sa mga internal strength is convenient one-stop shop. The weight is 15% and rating is 4. And the weighted score is 0.60. Number 3, low operation cost, 15%. Rating is 4. And weighted score is 0.60. Number 4 is customer loyalty. The weight of customers loyalty is 5% and the rating is 3. And the weighted score is 0.15. Number 5 is the basic necessity stock. The basic necessity stock weighted 10%, the rating is 4, and weighted score is 0.40. Here are the 5 weaknesses of the store. Number 1 is single employee dependency is 10% and the rating is 1. Weighted score is 0.10. Number 2 is limited service scope. The limited service scopes has a weight of 5% and the rating is 2 and weighted score is 0.10. Number 3 is restricted operating hours. In restricted operating hours, the its weighted is 5% and the rating is 2 and weighted score is 0.10. Number 4, lack of marketing. In lack of marketing, the weight is 10% and the rating is 1 and weighted score is 0.10. Number 5 is small inventory. The small inventory is weighted 5%, the rating is 2 and the weighted score is 0.10. The total weighted score is 100% and the weighted score is 3.05. The total weighted score is 3.05. This number of score is above average, which means that the sari-sari store business has a strong internal position. Next is strategy to improve internal position. Given the total weighted score of 3.05, the sari-sari store has a strong internal position, indicating that it leverages its strengths well. Here's a strategy for turning major weaknesses into minor ones. Enhancing minor strengths and sustaining the store's strong internal position. Strategy to improve internal position, strengthening weaknesses. Single employee dependency. The strategy is hire a part-time employee or cross-train a temporary worker for peak times to cover the primary employee absence. Impact. The impact of this strategy is with the support, single employee dependency become less critical, reducing it from a major to a minor weakness. Next strategy to improve internal position is in lack of marketing, the strategy is utilize free social media platforms to promote services and engage with customers, highlighting hospital-related items and printing services. The impact is consistent. Low-cost social media marketing can increase awareness and loyalty, gradually turning lack of marketing into a manageable minor weakness. The next strategy to improve is a small inventory. To strengthen these weaknesses, strategy is regularly assess a high demand items and optimize stock rotation to include hospital-related products. Example, yung quick snack, bottled water, and personal care items. And personal care items like tissue, alcohol, uh, cotton buds, and then the impact of it is prioritizing high demand product, increase perceived inventory depth without large investment, minimizing the inventory limitations impact. Next, strategy to improve internal position is convert minor strengths into major strengths. Customers loyalty To convert customers' loyalty into a major strength, the strategy is implement a loyalty programs offering small discount after a certain number of purchases, encouraging repeat businesses. Dito naman po sa sari-sari store, hindi naman siguro kailangan magbigay ng masyadong malaking discount kasi sari-sari store lang naman siya. Maybe we can offer small discount like for example, bibinta tayo ng Coke na, di ba, 25, yung Coke mismo 25 per bottle. Example, nagbili siya ng 3 mismo na bottle, pwede natin siya ibenta ng 70 na lang instead of 75. The impact of this is this reinforce customers loyalty and increase frequency of visits, turning customer loyalty into a major strength. The next strategy to improve internal position is sustain and maximize major strength. The major strength based on IFE or internal factor evaluation is prime location. As the store is at the front of Nara Hospital, hindi po siya nauubusan ng customer kasi po yung Nara Hospital hindi naman siya nagsasara, walang holiday and wala din po silang off-season. The strategy is place visible signage targeting hospital visitors, information them about available products and printing services. Doon po sa nakikita naman namin, meron siyang tarpaulin kaya lang hindi po siya ganun kalinaw, hindi siya ganun kalaki at hindi siya nakalagay sa tamang location. Hindi siya ganun visible naman siya pero hindi siya ganun ka-visible sa mga tao sa loob ng ospital. The impact of this is enhanced visibility, capitalizes on the prime location, maximizing foot traffic and maintaining this as a major strength. The next is to sustain and maximize major strength also is a convenient one-stop shop strategy. Continue to offer essential goods and services but also add small items needed by hospital visitors such as phone charger, mask, or bandages. The impact is expanding convenience reinforces the one-stop shop appeal and increase customer satisfaction. The next to sustain and maximize major strength. The next major strength need to sustain and maximize is low operating cost strategy. Maintain a lean staff structures and resource items cost effectively from local suppliers to keep operating costs down. Impact: by controlling expenses, the store can sustain its low cost advantage. The next is the summary of IFE. Strategy to improve internal position. This is its summary. Through these strategies, the sari-sari store can minimize its weaknesses, enhance its strength, and maintain a solid internal position by strategically adapting to its high traffic location and adding value to the customer experience. The storage can remain silent and continue its internal growth, supporting its strong 3.05 score and potentially increasing its over time. The next is external factor evaluation or AFE matrix. This is the record of our AFE matrix as you can see on the screen. The number 1 is expanded printing services. The weight is 15%, rating is 4, and weighted score is 0.60. Number 2 in opportunities is product expansion. Product expansion weighted 15% and the rating is 4 and weighted score is 0.60. Number 3 is collaboration with nearby businesses. The weight is 15%, rating is 3, and weighted score is 0.45. Number 4 is technological obsolescence. The weight is 15%, the rating is 3, and the weighted score is 0.45. Digital marketing, the digital marketing weighted 10%, and rating is 4, and weighted score is 0.40. Next is the threat. Number 1 in threat are nearby competitors. Nearby competitors weighted 10%, and the rating is 1, and weighted score is 0.10. Rising operation cost is weighted 5%, rating is 2, and weighted score is 0.10. Economic downturns. Economic downturns weighted 5%, rating is 2, and weighted score is 0.10. Technological obsolescence, weight is 5%, and the rating is 1, and weighted score is 0.05. Health and risk of pandemic related restriction, weighted 5%, the rating is 2, and weighted score is 0.10. Total weighted score 100%, and weighted score is 2.95. The total weighted score of 2.95 indicates that the business has a higher than average ability to respond to external factors. Strategy for improved responses to external factors. With a total weighted score of 2.95, the Sari Sari store demonstrates an above average ability to respond to external factors. Here is a strategy to enhance this score by improving responses to threats and maximizing opportunities to reach a superior response level. Number 1 is to improving poor and average responses. Nearby competitors. Strategy. Differentiate by offering unique products tailored to the hospital market, such as quick snacks, personal care items, and affordable accessories. Implement loyalty programs to encourage repeat visits. The impact of this strategy is this approach reduces competitive pressure, making the response to competition more effective and raising the rating from 1 to 2 or higher. The next is for improving poor and average responses to rising operating cost. Average response. It is also an average response strategy. Partner with the local suppliers for bulk purchasing discount or find cost-effective alternatives for high-cost items. The impact of this is cost control allows the store to manage its expenses more efficiently, improving response from 2 to 3, and offsetting operating cost challenges. The next is economic downturns. The economic downturns got average response. Strategy is offer a small discounts on essential item or introduce bundles that provide value to customers, making the store attractive even during economic challenges. The impact is by offering affordable choices, the store maintain customer loyalty and manage sales during economic slowdowns, potentially raising the response rating from 2 to 3. The next is technological obsolescence. In technological obsolescence, the response of store is poor. By improving this poor response, the strategy is regularly update equipment through affordable leasing option for printing technology, ensuring the store keep up with advancement without a heavy upfront investment. The impact of this is improved technology capabilities will enhance service quality, helping the store respond more effectively to technological changes and raising the rating from 1 to 2. The next is health risk or pandemic related restriction. The response of the store in this situation is average. The strategy is establish a basic delivery or pick-up option, allowing customers to access products without needing to visit store. The next, the impact of this is offering contactless service make the store resilient to health restriction, improving its response to external health risks, potentially raising the rating from 2 to 3. The next is to enhancing average response to superior level. Collaboration with nearby businesses. Strategy. Formalize collaboration through agreements for mutual promotion or discount for customer referred by other nearby businesses. One example of this siguro yung halimbawa bumili pagka meron kayong formalized collaboration, halimbawa bumili sa kabilang store yung customer tapos wala siya nabili doon, yung store na yon ituturo niya yung store mo na dito sa store na to ay may available na ganitong item. The impact of this strategy is this collaboration improve customer reach, creating a stronger advantage in moving this response from 3 to 4. The next in enhancing average response to superior level is technological obsolescence strategy. Explore government or community grants for small business to support technological upgrades. The impact of this is securing funding for tech updates allow the store to stay ahead with its services, enhancing this to response from 3 to 4. And the next, number 3, is maintaining high responses and maximizing opportunities. Expanded printing services, superior response strategy. Diversify services to include photocopying, lamination, and photo printing to meet more customer needs while ensuring that service remain affordable and accessible. The impact of this is enhancing service variety, keeps printing competitive, and maintains the high rating of 4. Next is to maintaining high response and maximizing opportunities. Next is product expansion. The strategy, regularly review hospital needs and adapt inventory accordingly, adding relevant products based on customers' feedback. Siguro, example nito, may binili sa'yo, tapos parang wala kang ganong product, tapos kailangan niya bumili, siguro kailangan natin siya i-add sa store. The impact of this is by stocking relevant items, the store sustains its high response to product demands, ensuring continued appeal and maintaining the superior rating of 4. Next is digital marketing. The strategy to maintain these high responses and maximizing this is establish a strong social media presence with regular posts about new products and promotion, engaging the community. Example, post sa Facebook, sa internet, TikTok, or Instagram. The impact of this sustained social media effort expand the store reach and visibility, reinforcing its superior response to digital marketing opportunities. The summary of strategy for improved responses to external factors is through targeted strategies, the sari-sari store can strengthen its responses to external factors, convert average responses into superior ones, and sustain strong responses to opportunities. This proactive approach should further boost its 2.95 score, positioning the store as resilient and well adapted to external changes. This is the some photos of proof of our interview or activity. This is the owner of the store, the one who wear a violet t-shirt. This is the member of our group, and that's all. Thank you.